We'll guide you through how to fix black folder icon in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because black folder icons in Windows 11 can make folders look broken, confusing, or difficult to recognize. To fix a black folder icon in Windows 11, start by turning on your device and wait until it is fully ready so nothing lags during the process. When the system has loaded, go to the taskbar below and move to the Windows button so you can open the main system tools. Right-click the Windows button to show a small menu that gives quick access to several features you need. Inside the small menu, select Run to open the Run program, which allows you to type commands directly. When the Run window opens, go to the search bar inside the program and type 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 carefully so the command runs without errors. After you type it, press OK to open it up and wait for the next window to load. When the new window appears, you will be asked to select which drive has the black folder icon problem. Look at the list and press the arrow button on the right to expand the option so you can see all available drives. For example, if you choose the C drive, left-click it to highlight it, then press OK to open it up. Let the program load first because it might take a few moments to scan the selected drive. When it finishes scanning, a small disk menu will appear showing a list of file categories that can be cleaned. In this menu, deselect all the files inside the menu except for the one named thumbnail, because this is the only one related to the folder icon issue. Make sure only the thumbnail option stays selected so nothing else gets removed. After confirming that the checkmark is only on thumbnail, press OK to start the process. A confirmation box will appear, so left-click Delete Files to confirm the action and allow the system to clear the thumbnail cache. The cleaning might take a moment, so wait until the window closes on its own. When it is done, you can open your file browser again to check if the black folder icon has returned to normal.